Good morning. Today we're going to actually start the Appalachian Trail. The weather has not been looking promising. I think they said it's going to be about 40 degrees with about 20 to 30 mile an hour winds up there. There's a bit of ice and it's going to rain. The temperature's going to drop this afternoon. So we're going to see how far we get. But we're going to give what it takes us, and that'll be that. Up at 5 o'clock this morning at the Appalachian Inn Hostel. It's a great little place. Just making some coffee. Before we start today, the weather does not look promising, but we got all our gear here. The start of the AT, and it is a coming down. And we're going this way. The official start of Appalachian 2023 southbound. It is raining. It is 9 degrees Celsius, whatever that is in Fahrenheit, I don't know.
This makes me moist.
And we're going to be starting on the Hunt Trail here at Katahdin. Off we go. Right, so it's just too wet, too rainy. The trees are lifting up. I don't know if you can see that. The trail's a river. It's not safe. We're going back. We've made a unanimous decision to head down and summer Katahdin on a better day. This is the Hunt Trail presently. It's a lovely waterfall. Say hello, Caitlin. Hi! Yeah. Oh, it hasn't stopped raining. Okay, so we're back here at the Appalachian Trail Hostel. We, as mentioned, did not make the summit. It was just too dangerous to go up there. The wind gusts were getting into the 40s and up. There was ice and snow, and it was raining harder. So we made the decision at the Alpine to turn around and come back. So we'll have to finish the top of Katahdin at a little later date, still within our trail through-hike range, just not today. So we came back to the trail lodge because we were soaked to the bone. It was cold. So we are here, we're just drying some clothes, drying out, and we will take a shuttle back tomorrow, back to Katahdin Stream Campground, I believe, and we will start the trail there and go south through the 100-mile wilderness, a little better prepared, or at least dried. We're as prepared as we were going to be anyway, just now we'll be drier. And yeah, so that's just a little bit of a wrap up for today. and Jeff's just throwing the stuff out in the laundry right now. But it was a cold day, so we definitely, I think, made a wise decision. I think maybe 2 people managed to actually summit today. They did leave about an hour or 2 earlier than us, so that may have helped, but even they indicated it was pretty rough up there, so I have no qualms about turning back, because that's just how the trail is going to treat you. All right, thanks. Okay, we're officially going southbound on day 2. This is where we're starting. And this is us just getting our junk together. We get a front view of the Jeff.
Hey, what's up, kids? Much nicer than yesterday.
Yeah. Still raining, still cool, but warmer and less rain. So, here we go. Water crossing number 1. Not supposed to be a water crossing, but the water's high. Oh, we're gonna get wet. No way around. Oh, that's chilly. Whoa! Yep. The feet weren't dry to begin with. I'm sure not now. Oh, this is Grassy Pond Trail at the start of the AT. Mosquitoes are thick, but the sun is trying to peek through and it's not raining, so it's a good day. Oh, the feet are chilly. Smart man took his shoes off. I did not.
It took me all day.
The official start of the AT outside of Baxter. Gotta say, Baxter State Park was gorgeous. The trail was beautiful, although be it a slightly bit damp.
Baxter State Park?
Welcome. Oh, maybe we're not. I don't know. Required us to sign something. So we're going that-a-way. Let us go. Yeah, we're slippery. Well, there's the outhouse.
You need a shitter?
I do not.
There's a broom in there too, you could fly home.
I could. Not gonna. Don't have my license.
Richie license. Wait, please.
Into the woods we go. We don't trip and fall. Oh look, another water crossing. More mosquitoes. So somewhere on the Baxter. Do we know what trail this is? It was on the sign before. Is this the right way? Down? Oh, someone's chilling. The falls. Or there's a random backpack. Stairs. That's just the river. I think we're supposed to be crossing later on, but we're going to be taking a Blue Blaze side trip because I'm not fjording that much water. Okay. the boulders, you should normally be able to walk across at low water. But as you can see, you fall into that. Well, that's just a bad idea. We're taking the blue blazing, the high water bypass because I'm not getting wet right now. All right, let's go. Took off the backpack for a snack spot. Less bugs by the waterfront here. This is on the blue, or the high water blue blaze. And honestly, in the summertime, if this were a warm day, this would be a gorgeous place to go swimming. So maybe it's worth taking the high water bypass and having a dip if it's hot weather. Today, not so much. Today we eat food, snacks. Okay, officially in the 100, oh, there we are, way up there. There we are, 100-mile wilderness. We've just entered. Mosquitoes are brutal. Jeff is wandering off quickly because he's tasty and delicious and they are eating him. So, going to just register this. Okay, so you have to register. Oh, mosquitoes are evil. Oh, okay, officially registered in the box. And now we are starting the trail. It's not raining, it's mild out still. And let the insanities begin. Our plan is to be through this in 10 days. We did opt for the food drop from the Appalachian Trail Hostel, which has been great place to stay and great for information and shuttle and all that. So highly recommend if you are in Millnocket and are going southbound, or if you end up northbound and finish in Katahdin. And that's that. I'm gonna get a move on because the mosquitoes are gonna cart me away if I don't, because the bugs are thick. All right. And this is the trail for the 100-mile wilderness. It starts off pretty nice, but this is only the beginning, so plenty more to come.
They gave my cancer. Look at that.
Okay, first night of the 100-mile. These are little buggers are sitting outside waiting to eat Jeff. Because they're on his side, not mine.
You bastards.
Look at them. And yes, it's raining. And yes, we're very comfy and cozy inside.
I'm so comfy right now.
And there's my dinner. And I'm scared to go outside. And that is Jeff's dinner tonight.
Yeah, primary colors, baby.
He'll be eating more than that.
Maybe.
Okay, final recap before the end of the night because Jeff is already sleeping.
Go away.
We made it to Herder Shelter. There's about 4 other people out at the shelter. We chose to set up our tent by the privy, and the mosquitoes are brutal. We did a whole total of 13.3 miles. Most of the day was pretty good. It did start to pour at the end. And now we're exhausted and going to bed, and it's only 5 o'clock. So until tomorrow.